Welcome to our steering group assembly.
We are going to tell you all about Refugee Week this year.
It is from the 20th till the 26th of June.
Hello, refugees, and welcome to the UK. You will love the architecture that consists of our country. You will love our atmosphere and our people. We will make sure that you are safe and we will provide help for you when it's needed.
Here are some of James's ideas. Refugees are people who leave a country to escape from war or poverty. They leave not really knowing where they're going and go to where they're going to live. We could help refugees by donating some of our clothes and toys. We could also have a charity day where we organise various events to raise some money, like cake baking, sponsored silence in class, and other fun challenges. I think that this would really help a refugee as they settle in this country.
We met Stephanie and Monique from the Stories of Hope and Home charities, and they inspired us to help the asylum seekers as part of our steering group.
We are going for the School of Sanctuary Award at Oscar Manor, so we have been learning about refugees and how to be welcoming to all.
What is the asylum seeker?
Oh, I wonder what is an asylum seeker?
Asylum seekers are people who come to the UK because they are unsafe in their home country.
What is a refugee?
Refugees are people who have had their asylum claims accepted by the UK government.
But what can I do?
You can watch a film. You can check out a film called Seeking Refuge, a real life story of young people fleeing their homeland and the 5 animated short stories.
You can have a chat.
Say hello to someone new in your neighbourhood, workplace, school or community. Ask how they're doing, lament or celebrate the weather. It might just make their day.
You can send a message.
You ready?
Yeah.
What message would you like to send in solidarity with seeking people's safety, such as those with fleeing violence in Afghanistan or Ukraine? Share your message online using hashtag send a message and hashtag simple facts. And together let's flood social media with kindness and solidarity.
Can you read it?
Okay.
There is a great list.
There is a great list of recommended books at the Book Trust website. One of our favourites here at Ascot Man School is The Journey.
And you know what, Dylan? For Refugee Week, we've also got another brand new book called The Wisp. Would you like to read that? Again.
You can go for a walk.
The Great Walk event is held in the final weekend of Refugee Week. So, check out the website and that is something else you can do. So, right, everyone, right, steering group and myself would like to thank you all for watching this year's Refugee Assembly. And what we really want is we want to see some different work from each class that will help us for our School of Sanctuary Award, and it will really help everybody in the community, whether they are local or from another country, to feel welcome at Oscott Manor. And we as a steering group, we say welcome.
Welcome.